What if I told you that a single physical server could act like 10 different machines at the same time? That's not science fiction, it's the power of server virtualization, one of the most transformative innovations in modern computing. In the past, organizations relied on one physical server for one application. It was inefficient, expensive, and wasteful. Imagine a powerful machine running at only 10% of its potential while the rest of its capacity sat idle. Virtualization changed everything by allowing multiple virtual servers, or virtual machines, to run on a single piece of hardware, each acting like an independent computer. This breakthrough is made possible by a software layer called a hypervisor, which manages resources like CPU, memory, and storage, distributing them across virtual environments. The result? Higher utilization rates, reduced costs, and incredible flexibility for IT teams. Virtualization also makes scaling effortless. Instead of buying new hardware for every new application, organizations can simply create more virtual machines in minutes. This agility is why virtualization became the backbone of cloud computing. Services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud rely on it to provide resources on demand. Efficiency isn't the only benefit. Virtualization enhances security by isolating workloads. If one virtual machine is compromised, it doesn't automatically impact the others. It also simplifies disaster recovery, since virtual servers can be backed up, cloned, and restored far more easily than physical ones. Of course, virtualization isn't without challenges. Performance tuning, licensing costs, and the risk of VM sprawl require careful management. But when implemented correctly, the advantages far outweigh the downsides. For businesses, virtualization is more than just a cost-saving tool, it's a strategy for innovation. It empowers startups and enterprises alike to experiment, deploy faster, and respond to market changes with agility. So, as hardware continues to evolve and cloud adoption grows, one question remains: how will you leverage virtualization to maximize both efficiency and innovation?